If you're wondering how to use John Thornhill's Ambassador program to build an online business from scratch, here's what you need to know. The Ambassador program is built around an affiliate marketing model, but instead of leaving you to figure everything out yourself, it gives you done-for-you tools that you can start using right away. For example, you'll get access to a complete webinar funnel that's already set up to collect emails, drive traffic, and present offers that are proven to convert. On top of that, you'll also receive 99 pre-written email scripts so you don't have to spend hours writing follow-up messages. These emails are designed to promote John Thornhill's products for you, helping you build trust and generate consistent sales. The program also includes traffic training, which shows you how to bring targeted visitors into your funnel so you can grow your list and increase sales. And if you want to scale even more, there's a JB page system that lets you recruit affiliates to promote for you, splitting commissions while they do the work of driving traffic. What makes this especially beginner friendly is that the program walks you through the fundamentals of building an online business so you can create automated revenue streams that work around the clock. Even if you're brand new, the system is designed to be easy to replicate. And the best part, you only need a few hours per week to manage it once it's set up. So if you've been looking for a way to start an online business without creating your own product from scratch, the Ambassador program could be the exact shortcut you need. To learn more and reserve your spot in John Thornhill's free webinar, just click the link in the description. You can join from anywhere in the world, and this could be your first step toward building a profitable online business.